Hello everybody, and how are you today? I hope you're doing great, because it is a great day to be alive. Yes, it is. And now I want to share with you my vision board and how many things on my vision board came true. Let me tell you, actually everything on that board came true. Now, if you want to know how to do this, how to do a vision board, how to focus on your goals and your dreams and your wishes and have them all come true, just stay around.
Action fun and fabulosity with Marta, Marta, say us.
Who doesn't want their wishes to come true? Who doesn't want their goals to realize? Everybody does, right? So the first thing that you have to do is be clear on your goals. What are they for real? And then make them be real. Make them be real in your head so that you can walk step in rhythm with that goal. Everything you're doing is going to be done so you can reach that goal. I'm going to tell you how I focus on my goals and put them down on a vision board, and how by the end of the year, everything on that board came true. Believe it or not, this is not a joke. This is for real. Let me share what I did. First of all, I bought one of these boards. Nice, sturdy. I didn't get a flimsy one. I got a nice, thick, sturdy one. And then I went out shopping to the dollar store and to the craft store, and I got little decorations and designs so that I can make my vision board beautiful. I wanted to put effort into it because that effort related directly to the effort that I was going to put in on my goals. Let me show you my vision board and everything that came true, one way or the other, to a certain degree, but they did come true. So here's my board. Now, right off from the top, I'm going to tell you, no, I did not win the lottery, but I did find new resources of economy. I did make more money last year than I did any other year. It was a profitable year for me. So yes, in my mind, this dream did come true. Now, let's take a look at this one right here. Let's save this one for last. Okay, here we go. I was never a traveling type of person, and last year I got to travel a lot. I did a vacation over to the Bahamas. I did my first cruise. I went to Maine. I did so many things I had never done with regards to traveling. So yes, this one represented traveling for me, staying at a nice resort hotel. I think that I got this one. This one for me came true. I'm going to show you what I did with this one. I went and I found myself an app that you can customize so that you could lose weight in the image. So you're actually editing the image. You take your image and it makes it so that you're thinner. And that's what I did with this one. And I put my thinner self here. Now actually today I am probably like this because I did lose weight. I did this goal. This came true. Here you have a view of a Florida room similar to mine in the way that these doors open to the back side, which is what I have, and I always wanted to fix it, and yes, it got fixed. It got pretty. I made two of them because I really wanted that, and I really was able to update that Florida room and the outside patio beyond it, and yes, this came true. Again, no, I didn't win the lottery, but I did improve my economy a lot. So in my mind, it came true. Love, and let's save that for last. Now we're coming here. Fitness. Fitness for me was separate than losing weight. Fitness was a different category that I wanted to reach, and I am doing it. I am going to the gym every day. I'm going in the morning. I enjoy it. I am more fit. I'm more healthy. So yes, this one did come true. Okay, now, can you hear that in the background? That's my automatic pet feeder. It just went off. Sorry. Yeah, I have a video on that if you want to see it. I'll link it up above. You set it for certain times, and then it automatically calls your dog over and feeds the dog. Let's get back to the vision board. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at love. I'm sure you're curious about that. Well, yes, I did get rings. I did get love. In the end, it wasn't exactly what I wanted. So there you go. You know the old saying, be careful what you wish for. But now I'm happy. Now I am fulfilled. I have reached my goals. My vision board really worked and I'm ready to do another one. Have you ever done a vision board? Did you find that you were able to accomplish those dreams? How did it compare to the one that I did? I hope you liked this video and please subscribe. But more important than all of that, please have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.